Trying out the new vacuum hoses here with the Bluetooth AccuTool gauge there. It's tied into Miguel's phone.
So we're going to start it now.
Okay. He's got his ballast open. Get down to 10,000.
Under 10,000, yes.
Yeah, then
we'll open, close the valve.
We'll close your ballast after that.
Closing the ballast.
Okay, so now you can close your ballast. These are some big diameter hoses that actually can pull the vacuum rather quickly.
Just a reminder to close the ballast.
Yeah, so good. So we're down
Been
below
a minute.
1,000 microns.
In 1 minute.
1 minute. You got your power saver thing on.
Yeah, it's, sorry.
That's fine. It saves your battery. So, and you're going to try and get this down to 200?
Yes, and then I'm going to isolate it.
Yeah.
It's under 500 microns in less than 2 minutes.
We got a line set here, it's new. It's right here. Going over to the coil right there in the garage. So, let me get out there with you. Is you already there? You have to get below what, 200?
Yeah, 200 is my target.
Where you at?
I'm at 300.
300, damn.
That's pretty quick.
Yep, so she's dropping. All right, these hoses are the killer deal. That's the whole reason this thing's vacuuming so quickly. It's like a 1/2 inch diameter inside these things. It's a little clamp here putting on the size fitting you want to put on the end. In this unit here, it has room straight off the ports for these isolation valves. That port actually has about a 45-degree angle to it. So you have room for that whole apparatus.
Alright, we got 12 microns left before we reach our target. I'm going to start isolating. Reached. We're under our target. Save recording.
How many minutes was that?
That was less than 3 minutes.
Yeah. So now you can close your isolation valves.
Close them here. Start this way.
That's it.
And now we can see our decay.
They call it decay, so that's...
So we're gonna wait until it stops, and that'll be all under 5 minutes.
Yeah.
There it is. That's our true vacuum right there.
Final finishing vacuum.
Yep. It's going down. Do you see how it went up and down? That means that
Yeah, it's
there's
like
no
stable.
leaks and it's stable.
Yeah.
Everything's working good.
All right. So here we are in less than 5 minutes pulling a system evacuation. These are the True Blue hoses. Got a HCFM field piece vacuum pump here. So we have this gauge head here. It's AccuTools right there. It's communicating
It's done.
via Bluetooth
Just about 240.
with the app on the phone. All right, cool, very good.